So where do you want to eat? Wait, let me guess. Taco Bell. Sorry.
Where do you want to eat? Starbucks?
So what's it like mowing my lawn all day?
I don't know. What's it like eating peanut butter and jelly sandwiches all day?
Oh shoot, what time is it? Don't you have to go to Home Depot soon to find work?
I'm just curious, how many times did you get a divorce this year?
Shouldn't you be watching a soccer game right now or something?
Shouldn't you be waiting in line for the next iPhone?
Oh, I just got a call from immigration and you're being deported.
Wait, are you serious?
No, dude, it's a joke.